Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. In order to transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel, first you'll need to open your Excel. This is the data here that I want to transpose. Transposing multiple rows and columns is a very easy process. You'll need to select data you want to transpose. Let's start with one row first. You simply need to copy the data, then paste in the cell you want to transpose. You can find paste options here. There is values, formulas, and transpose. You'll have to click on transpose option. And just like that, your data is transposed. Now, for multiple rows and columns, you'll have to select all the data. Then, like first, you'll have to copy those data. You'll have to select the cell you want to paste the data. After you select the cell, you'll have to paste it using the transpose option. And as you can see, your data has been transposed. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.